Ken.
Let's do it together.
Alright. 5, 6. Pwede ba sabay-sabay tayo?
5, 6, 7, 8. Baby,
Ayos mo, Pablo?
right, left, and right. What's the first step? Dito?
Sabay. Wait lang, kami na-practice tayo. 5, 6, 7, go. Baby, you I want you. Baby, you Baby, you I want you. Baby, you Okay na. Sabi sa inyo, wami.
Do you remember the name of your first kiss?
First kiss?
Don't tell me. Do you remember it? You've got sort of two names bouncing around your mind, right? You thought of somebody first and then you changed your mind. Is that correct?
Yeah.
The first person that you're thinking of.
Oh no, bro, like...
I know, I talked about first kiss, but I think the first person that you're thinking of is not your first kiss at all. Is that correct? You're thinking of a fake name, somebody different.
Yeah.
It could have been anybody in the entire world. Is that correct?
Yeah.
There's no possible way I can know who you're thinking of right now. We gotta go.
Let's go. Thank you.
Say hi to your mum for me.
Oh my God!
Thank you, man.
No, me too. Let's go.
Walang budget, 1 quart lang. Pagkasyahin mo lang. Sabi na lang tayo. Let's do it together. Okay. She's already giniling, so let's do it together. Let's start with Ken.
Hi. Sige, di ba sabay-sabay tayo?
6, 7, 8.
Baby, you're
Ayos mo, Pablo?
Right,
What's the
first step?
Wait lang, wait lang. Practice ba yun? Practice yun. 5, 6, 7, go.
Baby, you're the one who wants you. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the one who wants you. Baby, you're
Okay.
Sabi sa inyo, one word lang.
Okay.
Sorry.
the one.